This is an emergency broadcast authorized by Her Majesty's government. Please pay attention to this broadcast. This is an emergency broadcast authorized by Her Majesty's government. Please pay attention to this broadcast. According to the Met Office, they have reported significant activity around the ozone layer, which is a layer protecting the Earth from rays from the sun. These activities shows what can possibly be the weakening of the ozone layer. However, it is not confirmed. Other sources suggest that this is because of global warming, yet that is not confirmed. Temperatures are rising rapidly, and sea levels are rising as well. This is because of the sun melting all the ice around Antarctica. It is advised to limit all outdoor activity until further notice. Rapidly rising temperatures are confirmed at the following countries: United States of America, United Kingdom, France, Belgium, Germany, Russia, Japan, China, Spain, Portugal, and Italy. At this time, there is no more current information. Please wait for more information. In the meantime, ITV shall suspend normal programs and enjoy the music while you wait. This is an emergency broadcast from ITV. Please pay strict attention to this update. It's been confirmed by the United Nations that the ozone layer, the only thing for almost all essential life, is rapidly disappearing. This means that living human life would mostly be impossible. The reason being is without the ozone layer protecting us from the sun, it can make skin cancer much more common and immune systems being considerably weaker. It can also cause serious pain across the eye and can cause serious burns and injuries. ITV advises you to stay inside. The United Nations declared a global emergency, stating to close all curtains immediately and to stock up on lots of food, since this will not be likely to end. This is a global emergency and shall be treated as such. Business shall temporarily closed by the